through those days as well where your hair looks like a mess. So I shampooed my hair day before yesterday and I've just not had the time to do anything to it, and I need to get to work. And I just have about 10 minutes to get dressed completely. So I'm just going to show you a quick thing what I do with my hair when I'm in a hurry. So I had actually made a braid yesterday, so you can also see that it's a little curly because of that, right? So all I've done is I've just sectioned this hair separately, any kind of sectioning that you want, you know. So I've just done this. So I've just kind of sectioned it from here and this whole section until here. I'm just kind of going to pin this in place. And now I'm going to make a ponytail with the rest of my hair. So my hair on day 3 of being dirty is kind of really flat, right? And if I kind of add volume to it, it will just stick in place no matter what I do. So I'm not going to really apply any hairspray today. However, if I was doing this on day 1, I would have needed to apply some kind of hairspray to it. And if you really like it flat and you like product in your hair, then make sure you do that. So at the end, once I'm done with the hair, then I'm going to apply a little bit of hairspray. But I like extreme sharp flat hair on myself, so that's what I'm going to do. Just tighten it here, however tight and comfortable it is. So now I am going to take this donut and I'm just going to wear it over this, and I just kind of spread this donut all the way around, and I'm just taking a huge rubber band and I'm just going to do that and I'm going to leave it. So this is what it looks like right now. I love a little bit of texture and unevenness in my donut. I don't like it very clean. So I'm just going to pull out a few strands so that it looks ruffled and slightly messy. So now I'm just going to collect this portion. So if you are somebody whose hair is really long, you can even keep these portions smaller and wrap them around. It really depends on you how you prefer it. Sometimes I also feel that if it is too thick, it kind of pushes your donut too up. So even I prefer doing it in smaller sections. And then I just take U pins and I keep fitting it in there. I take the second section with a little volume. I just kind of take sections and I just kind of add a little bit of volume to my hair. And now honestly I don't really have a method to it. I just kind of see how it goes and how it sits in. The idea is to just kind of twist it and then just kind of push it further. So you need to kind of, you know, push your hair further. And then I just keep doing that, and then I just keep on playing with my hair and pulling it in front. Right, so I really like that. I think it looks really cool. So I'm just going to now take a pin and pin it in place. Ta-da! I'm done. So this is one of my really quick on-the-go hairstyle, and if you really look at it, it looks good. And I anyways feel wearing your hair tied to work is a very good idea. So I think we just need to start becoming a little bit more experimental, just than just taking a clutch and just putting up our hair up in a bun, or you know, just putting it up. You know, we can just start doing little things. We just need very few things in our life. We just need a tail comb, we just need a hairspray, we just need a section clip, and you can do just about anything. So do tell me what you think about this quick hairdo, and let me know your comments whether you like it, you don't like it, and do let me know if you wish to see a certain tutorial. I'll definitely try and shoot it for you. Take care.